Stay with me until the end. In just a few minutes, you'll see this drawing come to life. You won't want to miss what happens next.
3, 2, 1!
Keep watching. Something magical is about to happen. You won't believe what happens when the drawing comes to life.